Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really colorful abstract water marble nail design. So three of the polishes I'm using are by Pacifica. I found these on sale at Marshall's and I really did like the colors. They're called Dolphin, Minty Bikini, and Baby Come Back. And then I'm going to use a pink by Pure Ice called Lucky You. So I'm applying those colors into a cup of regular tap water. I don't use any kind of special water. I always say in my videos, it's the polishes that work well in the water. Make sure you play around with the different polishes. And I have to say, those Pacificas that I've showed you, they're vegan polishes. I guess they don't have as much stuff in their formula. I really don't know the ingredients, but they worked really well in the water. And that Pure Ice also worked well. And I just love the color combos that I created. Then using my water marbling tool, I'm going to create an abstract design. I didn't want to do anything, like a floral thing or anything like that. I want to do something quick and easy. I love to show you that it's really simple to do water marble designs. Once I was done, I carefully applied my nail into the cup and I used my Q-tip to remove all the polish. Make sure you remove all that polish before you pull your finger out. You don't want to mess up your design. And I love how this came out. This design came out really cool. I wanted to show you how it looked when it came out. And once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I always say this in all my videos. Keep on. If you give up on water marble because you're frustrated, it wasn't easy for me neither. So keep on trying. You will get the hang of it and you get so many cool, fun, abstract designs. I hope I made this video easy for you to recreate. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.